pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Well, it seems that summer is winding down. I can't believe it. It just flew by. And before it ends, I want to bring you guys another fun recipe. And if you love caprese salad, then you're going to love this recipe. I'm going to bring to you a caprese chicken. And if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm back with another chicken recipe, and I'm just taking a paper towel because I've already rinsed them, and I'm just going to pat them dry, just taking most of the moisture off of the chicken. And the chicken I'm using is skinless, boneless chicken breast. And this is a really thick piece of meat, and instead of using one whole breast, I just decided to grab a knife and just split it in two. But if you want to use the entire chicken breast, you can also take a rolling pin and just pound it. It will help the chicken to be a lot more tender and it will cook a lot more faster. Okay, so this is my 4 pieces of chicken and I'm just going to set it to the side because I'm going to mix together an amazing seasonings. First, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasonings along with 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. And just take a fork or a spoon and just mix everything together. Okay, and this is what we have. It smells so good. So let's get back to our chicken. And very generously, I'm just going to sprinkle this seasoning on both sides of each chicken breast. So I'm making caprese chicken, and if you had a caprese salad, I'm going to use all the ingredients that goes along with that. So of course we need some tomatoes. So I'm going to slice 2 vined ripe tomatoes. And of course I'm going to slice some mozzarella cheese. Okay, so over medium-high heat, I'm going to warm up some avocado oil. It's what I love to cook with, around 3 tablespoons, just enough to cover the entire pan. And now I'm going to begin laying in my chicken breast. And you want to cook your chicken between 6 and 7 minutes on both sides. So I'm flipping over the chicken, and while it's cooking, I have something to tell you guys. So the good people at Uptime reached out to me and wanted to know if I would share a hack on their platform, and it's an educational platform that shares a lot of insights on books and documentaries and also food hacks. So when you scroll down the app, you will see yours truly, and I went ahead and I shared my hack of how much I love roasted garlic. I also have a video on my channel. I went into how much I love roasted garlic. I talked about some of the health benefits to eating roasted garlic and how to use roasted garlic in a lot of your recipes. It's very cool. So it's a free app, so go ahead and download Uptime today. Okay, so while the chicken is continuing to cook, I'm going to add 2 slices of mozzarella cheese on each chicken breast. And I'm going to add 2 slices of tomatoes as well. And the heat from the pan is going to melt down the mozzarella cheese and wilt down the tomatoes. And at the very end, I'm just going to sprinkle on top some of those seasonings that I mixed earlier. So my chicken is done, and now I'm going to take it off the heat, and you can see that the cheese is melted and the tomatoes are warm, wilted, and delicious. So dinner is served, but we're not done yet because I have a couple of toppings to complete my caprese chicken. So off camera, I reduced some balsamic vinegar and I'm going to drizzle that on top. And of course you need some basil, so I'm going to add some chopped basil on top. And there you have it, Caprese chicken. It's packed with so much flavor, you guys, from the seasonings that I mixed up earlier to the melted mozzarella cheese and the tomatoes and the basil and the balsamic vinegar. The perfect chicken dinner for a perfect night. But we are done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.